$100 into $117,632 with Arctic Pablo's pre-sale, while Cat in a Dog's World unveils NFT rewards and Trump meme coin source. Arctic Pablo coin APC stands out with its adventurous theme, which is tied to uncovering Earth's hidden mysteries through a series of pre-sale phases connected to legendary locations. This article will explore the updates on these three coins: Arctic Pablo, Cat in a Dog's World, and Trump meme coin. Unveiling Earth's mysteries, Arctic Pablo's adventurous narrative. Arctic Pablo APC is no ordinary meme coin. It is a groundbreaking concept in the crypto world, blending myth, adventure, and reward into a single narrative. Arctic Pablo's pre-sale journey is tied to unique locations and stories to bridge the gap between myth and reality. Every APC pre-sale phase is an exploration of the Earth's hidden secrets. Each phase is themed around a legendary location, capturing investors' imaginations and offering an engaging experience. This adventurous angle not only sets Arctic Pablo apart but also positions it among the top crypto pre-sale opportunities for 2025. The project's storyline adds flair and creates a deeper connection between the coin and its investors. Arctic Pablo isn't merely a token, it's a narrative-driven movement designed to intrigue and reward those who join early in its quest. Arctic Pablo at Snowy Shores, the gateway to massive ROI. Arctic Pablo has reached Snowy Shores, the fifth phase of its pre-sale journey. Previous phases, such as Metropolis, were completed in record time, less than 3 days, proving the immense demand for APC. The coin has explored 4 unique locations in just under 2 weeks, raising over $370,000. Currently priced at $0.000034 in the Snowy Shores phase, Arctic Pablo offers a staggering potential ROI of over 23,441% from its pre-sale price to the listing price of $0.008. Investors can grab APC at this low entry price, making it a prime opportunity for those seeking the top crypto pre-sale with massive growth potential. With its unique concept and high growth prospects, Arctic Pablo stands at the forefront of the most exciting crypto investments. However, with prices rising as APC ventures into new phases, now is the time to secure a spot before its story enters the public market. Cat in a Dog's World, innovative meme coin news. The meme coin Cat in a Dog's World continues to turn heads with its whimsical concept of feline dominance in a canine-themed crypto world. Known for its playful yet compelling branding, the project has seen increased community engagement and trading volume, cementing its status as a favorite among animal-themed meme coins. Recent updates reveal the introduction of an NFT collection tied to Cat in a Dog's World, allowing holders to unlock exclusive perks such as staking rewards and community voting rights. This strategic expansion has strengthened the coin's appeal to investors seeking novelty and utility. With a dedicated community and consistent updates, Cat in a Dog's World is carving out its place in the meme coin market. Trump meme coin, a political icon in the crypto world. President Donald Trump's official foray into cryptocurrency, the launch of Trump meme coin, on January 17, has sent shockwaves through the crypto sphere. This project blends unique branding, political significance, and engaging artwork to draw in investors. The initial offering included 200 million Trump tokens, with plans to expand the total supply to 1 billion over 3 years. The coin has rapidly gained attention, with early trading activity exploding on centralized exchanges. Trump meme coin's growing popularity is a testament to its ability to capture public interest while pushing the boundaries of meme coin culture. Arctic Pablo APC, Cat in a Dog's World, and Trump meme coin each bring something unique. Whether it's the adventurous narrative of Arctic Pablo, the playful charm of Cat in a Dog's World, or the political intrigue of Trump, these coins showcase the versatility of the meme coin genre. However, Arctic Pablo's pre-sale stands out as the top crypto pre-sale for 2025. With its imaginative storytelling, unparalleled ROI potential, and the current opportunity at Snowy Shores for just $0.000034, Arctic Pablo offers not just a coin but a journey that rewards its explorers. Don't miss your chance to join this incredible expedition before it takes off to new heights.